You're in a hurry, Miffy. Where are you going?
To Poppy Pig's house. Poppy's taking me and Grunty on a nature hike.
Oh, you should save some energy for all that walking then.
But this is running. I've got loads of energy for walking.
If you say so, Miffy.
Ah, here's our last nature hiker.
Hello, Poppy. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Grunty. I can't wait for a lovely long nature hike. Is it a very long way?
Quite long, but that's what makes it fun. There's so much to see along the way.
Where are we going?
Wherever the mood takes us, Miffy. Then we follow the map and it will lead us back home in time for lunch.
Lunch? What are we waiting for? Let's go. Poppy, what will we see on our nature hike?
Why don't you use the binoculars and have a look? And Grunty, see if you can spot where we are on the map.
Wow, I can see so far. There's a bird in a nest. A green caterpillar. And Grunty. What else can we look for, Poppy?
All sorts. Tell you what, why don't I think of some special things we can look for along the way?
Oh, like a treasure hunt?
Exactly, Grunty. Let's think. I know. A stripy shell, a spiky leaf, and...
A feather. A fluffy feather.
That's a good one, Miffy.
And I'm going to be the first to find them all. Not if I get there first. Ooh. Look, Grunty, shells. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can find a stripy one. Stripy shell. Oh, Grunty.
Oh, that was close. Always keep hold of the map, Grunty. We needed to find our way home.
Oops, sorry.
But well done for being first to find a stripy shell.
I think I found who lives in it too. Oh, look. Goodbye, little snail. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, Miffy, your ears are trying to fly. Ooh. Ooh.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'm not quite sure where we are. So, we came up this way, which means we should be heading towards...
Oh, Poppy! Oh, the map! Oh, no! Look, Poppy, you found a spiky leaf. Yay!
Well done, me.
We found a stripy shell and a spiky leaf. Ooh. Oh.
But I'm afraid we've lost the map. It's blown away.
Oh, no. Does that mean we're lost too? How will we get home?
Oh, don't worry. I'm sure we can think of a way to find my house again.
We can ask someone the way.
I can't see anyone to ask.
I know. We can use the binoculars to find your house.
Good thinking, Miffy.
There's the bird. And there's the map. Quick, if we can get the map back, we can find our way home. Come on. Oh,
follow that map.
That way. Oh. Nearly. This way. Come on. Oh. 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 There it is. Hooray! Ooh. Free home! Yay!
Well done, girls. That was excellent map following.
Oh, yes. We did follow the map, and it led us back home, just like Poppy said. I like nature hikes, but I like getting back home too.
Especially in perfect time for a picnic lunch.
A picnic! Yay! Yay! Yummy. Wow, following maps makes you really hungry. Hey, that's my strawberry. See, little bird. Oh, a feather. I found a fluffy feather. The last thing to collect.
Well done! Now we found everything, including our way home.
There's only one thing left to find. What's that? A friend with ticklish feet. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle. One, two, three.
What are you doing with those rocks, Miffy?
Playing football.
Football? Wouldn't a ball be better than a rock?
The rock's not the ball. I'm making the goal. Melanie's bringing her ball and we're going to play with Dan and Grunty. Hey, Miffy. Hi, Dan. Look what I've got. Oh! That made me jump. He's my new Jack-in-the-Box. He's funny. Can I have a go? Okay. Just turn the handle. Oh! He's great. But I don't think he can play football. Look out! Oh? Did you see that shot? Hi, Melanie. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Dan. What's in the box? I'll show you. Oh! He's brilliant. Come on, let's play. Woohoo! I'll be in goal. But Grunty likes being in goal. Yes, but she's not here. We can play until she gets here. Oh. You'll be safe there. It's me. Ah! Oh! Wow, look how far it went. Come on, it's over here. Race you. Okay. Miffy. Melanie. Dan. Where are you? Ooh. What's this? Oh! You're funny. Let's play together until I find my friends. Yes! Goal! Great goal, Miffy. Ooh. Oh, my Jack-in-the-Box is gone. Are you sure that's where you left it? Of course I'm sure. It was right here. Don't be sad, Dan. We'll find him. We can look in more places if we split up. Okay? Do you really think we'll find him? I'm sure of it. Let's go. We'll find Jack and bring him back. It's Dan's box behind these rocks. Where are you, Jack? Please come back. I know that sound. Grunty, look what I've got, Miffy. Oh. That's Dan's Jack-in-the-Box. No, it's mine. I found it. There was no one playing with it. Dan put it down to play football. Oh, but I didn't see Dan. Maybe this is another Jack-in-the-Box. Grunty, it is the same one. Don't look at me like that. Oh, is it really Dan's? Mm-hmm. Dan's really sad. He's been looking for it everywhere. Okay, I'll give it back. What if Dan won't be my friend anymore? I didn't mean to take his toy. I'm sure he'll understand it was just a mistake. I hope so. I can't find Jack anywhere. Neither can I. Sorry, Dan. Huh? Grunty! You found my Jack! Kind of. I did find him, but only because I took him first. I'm really sorry, Dan. It was just a mistake. Grunty didn't know Jack was yours. It's okay, Grunty. I'm just really happy to have him back. Oh, can I still play football? Of course. You can be goalie. That's my favourite position. Are you sure? Yes, of course. Oh, not again. It looks like Jack wants you to play too. So, what are we waiting for? Let's play! Come on then. Ooh, good save, Grunty. Yeah. Oh, Mummy! Telephone!
Hello? Oh no, how terrible.
Huh?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, I do hope you feel better soon. Bye. That was Aunt Alice, Miffy. She's feeling poorly, so she's tucked herself up in bed. She sounded very miserable.
We should try and cheer her up.
Oh, what a good idea. I'll make her some of my special carrot soup. A mug of that cures just about anything.
And I'm going to find some more things to cheer up Aunt Alice.
Are you all right, Miffy?
I am, but Aunt Alice isn't. She's feeling poorly.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm trying to think of some things to cheer her up.
Well, what cheers you up when you're feeling miserable?
Cuddle for my teddy. Ooh. My ball. And, my scooter.
Anything else?
Snuffy! Snuffy always cheers me up.
Goodness me, Miffy. What are all your toys doing here?
They're to cheer up Aunt Alice.
Oh, that's nice, Miffy. But are you sure the things that cheer you up will cheer Aunt Alice up? She might be a bit old for bouncing balls and riding scooters.
I suppose so.
And as lovely as Snuffy is, Aunt Alice might not want a doggy running around when she's not well.
So, to cheer Aunt Alice up, I need to find things that she likes. Aunt Alice likes making and drawing things.
Very good. Why don't you make or draw her something?
Yes! I'll draw her a picture. Mummy!
Oh.
I've drawn Teddy, my ball, my scooter and Snuffy.
Oh, that's very good, Miffy.
Now, the things that cheer me up can cheer up Aunt Alice too.
And my carrot soup is ready as well.
Let's go visit her now. Whee!
I thought we agreed not to take Aunt Alice your scooter.
It's not for Aunt Alice, it's for me. The faster we get there, the faster we can cheer her up.
Oh, Miffy.
Aunt Alice, we're here.
Oh, not so loud, Miffy.
Hello, Aunt Alice.
Hello. Hello, Aunt Alice. How beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, achoo!
Oh, no. Did our flowers make you sneeze?
Oh, it's all right, Miffy. The flowers are lovely. It's just my cold that's making me sneeze.
You'll feel better soon, Aunt Alice. Mummy made you her special carrot soup.
I'll go and find a mug to put it in.
And I made you this.
Oh, Miffy, what a wonderful picture.
It's all the things that cheer me up when I'm feeling poorly.
Very good and very thoughtful. Thank you, dear. Achoo!
Here you are, a nice mug of my carrot soup.
Oh, it's delicious. Thank you, both of you. I'm feeling better already. Achoo! Oh, well, almost.
Well, have a nice long sleep and you'll feel right as rain in the morning.
Bye, Aunt Alice. Achoo!
Come on, Miffy, you'll be late for school.
I don't feel very well.
Oh, you don't look very well, Miffy. Oh, dear. I think you've caught Aunt Alice's cold, Miffy.
Oh, no.
No school for you today.
Oh,
Go back to sleep for a bit and I'll make something to cheer you up.
okay. Thank you, Mummy.
Guess what I've got for you?
Oh, your special carrot soup. Yum. Mmm.
And look who else I found. Hello, Miffy.
Are you feeling better?
Much better, thanks to you. So now it's my turn to visit and cheer you up. Here you are.
Oh, a new ball and a new scarf for Bear. How did you know what would cheer me up?
You drew me a picture with all of them on. Remember? But something's missing. What could it be?
Snuffy! You came to visit me too. All I need now is my scooter.
I don't think you're quite well enough for that yet.
Then I'll have to get better fast. You said 1 mug of your soup can cure anything.
She's got a point. After all, it worked for me.
This is great, isn't it? Yes, it is. I love the seaside. I can't wait to build the sandcastle. I can't wait either.
What a beautiful day to spend at the seaside.
The sand is all hot and sandy. Whee! Oh!
Oh, why don't you girls go and play? I'll stay here and sort this out.
We can build a sandcastle. A sandcastle.
I love sandcastles. When I was little, I made one as tall as me, all by myself.
Come on, Miffy. This is a good spot for building a castle. I'm going to build mine over here. And I'll call it Castle Miffy.
Why don't you and Melanie build a sandcastle together?
No, I want to make mine all by myself, like Mummy did when she was little. Tap, tap. That's not very castle-y. Oh. It keeps falling down. Building sandcastles is hard. Building sandcastles is fun! Not when they keep falling down. I'm giving mine some extra towers. That's nice, Melanie. I haven't even made one tower.
Maybe you could ask Melanie to help.
But then I wouldn't be doing it all by myself. Castle Miffy.
Very nice. Are you going to show Mummy and Melanie?
I don't think so. Melanie's castle is so much better than mine.
Where are you going now, Miffy?
I don't want to build sandcastles anymore. It's too hard. I'm going to collect shells instead.
Where are you going, Miffy?
Shell collecting.
Okay. Stay where I can see you.
Ooh. Oh, the shells that I can see when I'm beside the sea. Those shells in the pool, they're sparkly like a jewel. Oh, yes. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, Mr. Crab. I didn't know there was anybody home. Bye, Mr. Crab. Look, Mummy. I've got loads of shells.
Oh, lovely. But I thought you were building sandcastles.
I tried, but it kept falling down. I'll never make one as good as Melanie's castle.
Would you like me to help you?
No thanks, Mummy. It's not the same if you don't build it all by yourself.
Oh, Miffy, I'm sorry. I didn't mean you had to build your castle without any help.
What have you got there, Miffy? Shells. What a good idea. Oh, you can use them to decorate your castle. I hadn't thought of that. Would you like some for yours? Yes, please. Wow. Why doesn't yours fall down? I used wet sand, so it sticks. And your shells will make it look even better. Melanie looks amazing. Thanks. But I think we should call it Melanie and Miffy's castle. Melanie, can we build another castle together? I know how to do it now. Yes, let's collect shells for it. Building together is more fun than by yourself. Yes. We'll make an even better castle using shells to make it sparkle. That's not how I left it. It was all fally downy.
Oh, hello, Miffy. You'd made such a good start, I thought I'd carry on where you left off. I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind. Let's all stick shells in it together. Yay!
Oh!
Look! Ooh, Miss Crab's found a new home. Crab Castle.
Where are you today, Miffy?
I'm at Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Is Grandma having a snooze?
Yes. She wants me to have a snooze too. But I'm not tired. Oh, I can't get snoozing. Grandma. Grandma. Are you still asleep? Are you awake?
Yes, Miffy, I'm awake.
Me too. I can't sleep.
You don't have to sleep. You can just rest.
But I can't get comfy. And the bees are too buzzy.
Then why don't you try watching the clouds, Miffy?
Watching the clouds? Why?
It's my favourite game. It's very relaxing. It might help you rest.
A game? I love games. How do we play?
Well, you just lie back, look at the sky, and try to spot shapes in the clouds.
There's a cloud. That one's shaped like a cloud. There's another one. That looks just like a cloud too. Are you sure this is your favourite game, Grandma?
You just need patience, Miffy. You'll see. Ah, there. Now, does that look like anything?
It looks like a flower. Look, Grandma, a flower.
Exactly. Now you're getting it. What else can we see? There. Can you spot something swimming in the clouds, Miffy?
Yes, I can. Swim, little fish.
Ah, I can see a hat.
And I can see a bell.
Oh, yes. It's a bell-shaped hat. Or it's a hat-shaped bell.
Grandma, look. There's Snuffy.
Snuffy? Really? Where?
No, up there. In the sky.
Oh, yes. So it is. Hello, Snuffy.
Oh, she's floating away.
Bye-bye, Snuffy.
I think she wants me to follow her.
Really? Then she must want me to follow her too. Oh, but not too fast, Snuffy. Grandma's not as quick as she used to be.
Hurry, Grandma, before Snuffy Cloud gets away.
This is my best hurrying.
Oh, stepping stones. Maybe this is what Snuffy Cloud wanted us to find.
Yes, let's play here for a while.
No, Snuffy Cloud is still going. Come on, Grandma. You have to keep following.
Okay, Miffy, lead the way.
Come on. Sit, Snuffy Cloud. Sit. Stay. Oh, she's so high up she can't hear me. Hurry, Grandma. Snuffy's getting away. Come on.
Miffy,
Yes?
Snuffy Cloud's very fast, isn't she?
Yes. And I want to catch up with her.
But Grandma's not very fast, is she?
No, and I don't want to leave Grandma behind.
So what are you going to do, Miffy?
I'm going to wait for Grandma.
I'm sorry Snuffy Cloud floated away, Miffy.
I told Snuffy to sit and wait, but she didn't.
But you did, Miffy. Thank you. Now we can look for some clouds together.
Are you tired, Grandma?
Well, I do love cloud watching, but I think cloud chasing is a little bit too energetic for me these days.
Don't worry, Grandma. Snuffy Cloud was a very speedy cloud.
Look! Miffy! A sheep! No! A whole flock of sheep!
And there's Snuffy!
No, it's definitely a sheep.
No, I mean, it really is Snuffy. The real Snuffy. Snuffy! That's why Snuffy Cloud wanted us to follow her. So she could take us to real Snuffy.
Of course. What a clever cloud. Oh!
No, Snuffy. Sorry, Grandma.
Will you look at that? A cupcake cloud is heading straight for my house.
A cupcake cloud. That must mean it's tea time. Let's follow it. Uh-oh, Grandma. I think that's what Snuffy wanted to tell us.
A rain cloud. Let's hurry home.
Grandma, wait for me. Look, Grandma. Now Snuffy's chasing us.
Come on, Miffy. Come on.
going, Mummy?
We're off to collect Boris Bear.
Hooray! Boris always makes me giggle. But, Mummy, we're going the wrong way. Boris's house is that way.
That's because today we're collecting Boris from the hospital.
The hospital?
Yes. Poor Boris fell out of an apple tree this morning and broke his arm.
Boris is broken? Oh, no!
Come on, Miffy. Let's go and find out where Boris's room is.
Miffy, aren't you going to visit Boris?
Yes, I am, but I don't think I'm wearing the right dress.
Well, you look just fine to me, Miffy. You don't have to be dressed up to visit somebody in hospital.
Don't you?
No. So you can go in now.
Okay. Okay.
Miffy, is there some other reason you don't want to go into the hospital?
Yes. I like Boris so much, but I don't want to see him broken.
Oh, Miffy.
Aren't you coming in, Miffy?
Yes, but I think I might have a tummy ache.
Have you? Then maybe you need to see a doctor too, Miffy. Ah, here's one coming now.
Hello.
Hello, Doctor. We've come to visit Boris Bear.
Ah, yes, Boris. I'm going to check on him now. Come this way.
Miffy isn't sure about hospitals.
That's a shame, because I really need an assistant to help me with some very important jobs.
Ooh, me!
There you are.
I love helping.
Oh, Miffy. Hello, Boris. Look who I brought.
Hello, Miffy. You came to visit.
Boris! You don't look broken.
Oh, good.
Is your arm very sore?
It was when I first fell out of the tree.
But we're making it all better now.
Where are you going, Miffy?
What are you looking for?
Where did you put the broken bit?
Well, the broken bit is inside this hard plaster. It protects the broken bone.
Oh, you should have put that on before you climbed the tree, Boris.
You're much more sensible than me, Miffy.
Making our patients comfy is the most important job of all. Can you help me?
Of course. I like helping.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. Would you like a grape?
Yes, please.
Here, Boris. We brought you a woodwork magazine to read while you're getting better.
Oh, thank you. This one's my favourite.
And some more grapes. Oh, Miffy, you could help Boris turn the pages.
I'm already helping with the grapes.
You're an excellent helper, Miffy.
I know. It's a very important job.
Dr. Miffy, are you ready to help me check whether Boris is well enough to go home?
Dr. Miffy is ready. Dr. Miffy's here to say, what is wrong with you today? If you're broken, if you're ill, I'll make you better, yes I will. If you're poorly, come this way. Dr. Miffy's here today.
If you're poorly, come this way. Dr. Miffy's on call today.
Good news, Boris. You're well enough to go home now.
Oh, good. Thank you, Doctor. Sorry, doctors.
No problem.
Have plenty of rest and try not to bump your arm while it mends.
I'll try, but I am rather clumsy.
Bye then.
Next time you climb the apple tree, be more careful.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
Look, Barbara, Boris is mended. I helped mend him.
Are you feeling better, Boris?
Much better. Thanks to all my lovely visitors. And the doctors, of course. especially Dr. Miffy.
Well, this should cheer you up too. A lovely big bunch of grapes.
More grapes!
Fruit is very good for you.
Oh, well said, Dr. Miffy.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes, except when you fall out of an apple tree.
Let's get you home, shall we?
Oh, do we have to? I like hospitals.
Maybe you can come back here one day when you're a real doctor.
Ooh. Dr. Miffy, how do you do?
Oh, do you think they'd mind if I use that wheelchair?
You don't need a wheelchair for a broken arm, Boris.
It's not for me. It's for all the grapes.
Oh,
Boris.
Oh, dear Boris.
I'll get it, Mummy. Good morning, Mr. Postman.
Morning, Miffy. I've got a postcard here for you.
For me? Thank you. Mummy! Look! The postman brought me a postcard.
How exciting! Let's have a look at the picture on the front and see if we can guess who it's from.
That mountain looks very high and very snowy.
No clues there. Let's see what it says on the back. Oh, it's from Uncle Pilot.
Uncle Pilot? It must be one of the places he's flown to.
Dear Miffy, I have been very busy exploring new countries. I've seen lots of things on my travels, but this mountain was the biggest and the coldest. Brr. Lots of love, Uncle Pilot.
It was nice of Uncle Pilot to send me a postcard.
Well, why don't you send him one back? You can tell him all the exciting things you get up to.
But I don't get up to exciting things, not like Uncle Pilot.
Yes, you do. I'll help you write one if you like.
Oh, yes, please. But I haven't got a postcard.
Here you are. You can buy a nice one from Barbara's shop, and then we can write it together.
Thanks, Mummy.
See you later, Miffy.
Where are you off to, Miffy?
I'm going to Barbara's shop to buy a postcard to send to Uncle Pilot.
That's a nice idea. What are you going to write?
I don't know. Uncle Pilot always has exciting things to write about, but I don't.
I'm sure you'll think of something.
I hope so. I'm nearly at the shop. Hello, Barbara.
Miffy, what can I do for you today?
I'd like to buy an exciting postcard, please.
An exciting postcard? Well, let's see what we can find. Here we are. Oh dear.
What's the matter, Barbara?
This is where the postcard should be, but I've run out.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. I think I've got some in the storeroom. Will you look after the shop for me while I go and see?
Me? Look after the whole shop?
It won't be for long. I'm sure you'll be fine.
I'll do my best.
I know you will. See you in a minute, Miffy.
Yes. Welcome to Miffy's shop. How can I help you? Hello, Melanie. Miffy. Hello, Grunty. Ooh, welcome to my shop. What are you doing behind there? I'm looking after the shop for Barbara. What can I do for you today? I'd like 2 carrots, please. This way. Yum. 2 carrots. That will be 2 coins, please. Thank you, Barbara. Oh, I mean Miffy. And what would you like, Grunty? I'd like one of those, please. Okay. Ooh, it's very sticky. Oh, yum, thank you. Call up Miffy's shop again soon. Bye. Bye, Miffy.
Sorry that took so long, Miffy. They were right at the back.
We had customers.
We did. And you served them all by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Well done, Miffy. Now let's choose an exciting postcard for you.
Oh, this one. Miffy's shop. Oh, I mean, your shop.
You did such a good job looking after my shop. You can have the postcard for free.
Oh, thank you, Barbara. Bye.
Bye, Miffy.
Look, Mummy, I got a postcard. It's a picture of Barbara's shop.
Well done. And did you think of something to write while you were out?
No, I was so busy I forgot.
Busy? Why? What did you get up to?
Well, I went to the shop, but Barbara had run out of postcards. So she went to find some and I had to look after the whole shop, all by myself. And I sold things to Melanie and Grunty. And I got a bun stuck to me, like this. And then Barbara gave me the postcard for free to say thank you.
Slow down. I can't keep up. And look, the postcard is already full.
I did have lots of exciting things to write about after all. Oh, I need some more postcards. Then we can write one to Grandma and Grandpa and Aunt Alice and...
Miffy, if I write all those, my arm will drop off. Miffy?
This is my toy, Monkey. Look, he can swing around. See? Whee!
Very nice, Melanie, thank you. Grunty, your turn to show us your toy.
Oh, great. This is Quacky Duck. She goes quack. Oh, my crocodile goes snap.
Can you show us, Dan?
Oh, look. It's good, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
That's a lovely crocodile, Dan. And a really nice quacky duck, Grunty. We've got time for one last toy. What did you bring, Miffy?
My bear, of course. He loves dancing and hopping and hugging too. Ooh.
Oh, I can see you love your bear very much, Miffy.
Mm-hmm.
Right, that's the end of Bring Your Toy to School Day. Time to go home. Everyone put your toys away, then get your coats.
In you go. Safe in there. Nice and got heavy. Tuck you away. Oops. Oh. Home time. Race you. See you tomorrow. Bye, Melanie. Bye-bye. Bye, Miss. See you tomorrow. Mummy. Bear had so much fun at school today.
Oh, did he?
Oh, no. That's not my bear. That's Dan's crocodile.
Oh, dear. It looks like you brought Dan's bag home by mistake and Dan must have yours. Don't worry, you can swap back tomorrow.
Tomorrow? But I'll miss my bear.
Oh, and Dan will miss his crocodile.
You're right. I'll look after Crocodile for Dan and he can look after Bear for me.
That's the spirit. Now, I wonder how you take care of crocodiles.
You have to hug him. Oh, he's a bit spiky.
Maybe crocodiles don't like hugs. But I wonder what they do like.
Let's find out, Crocodile.
What are you doing, Miffy?
I'm taking Crocodile for a walk, but he won't fit. Oh.
I don't think crocodiles go for a walk in a pram, Miffy.
Huh? Oh. Crocodile doesn't need to go in the pram. He's got his own wheels. Ready, Crocodile? Come on. Snap, snap, snap. Look, Crocodile, this is the sofa. It's very comfy. Snap, snap, snap. And this is Aunt Alice. She's got a pretty dress, don't you think? Snap, snap, snap.
Oh, hello, Miffy. Who's this?
It's Crocodile, Daddy. I'm looking after him for Dan.
Nice to meet you, Crocodile.
I've just taken him for a walk. He's really hungry now.
Well, it's a good job it's dinner time then. Oh.
Don't you like carrots, Crocodile?
Maybe he likes peas instead.
Ooh. No, he doesn't like peas either. He does like peas after all.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, that's a pretty blanket.
Shh, Crocodile's asleep.
Yes, he's had a busy day. You've taken really good care of him. Good night.
Good night, Mummy. Good night, Crocodile. And good night, Bear at Dan's house. Oh, where is she? Dan? Hey, Miffy. Look! Crocodile! You had him. I've taken good care of him. We went for a walk together and I gave him peas for dinner. Thank you, Miffy. He doesn't like carrots, but he loves peas. Really? I didn't know that. Can I have Bear now, please? I don't have your bear. That's not my bear. No, it's Grunty's Quacky Duck. Then where's Bear? Miffy! Dan! Quacky Duck! Hello, Quacky Duck. But where's Bear? Here, of course. Oh, Bear! I missed hugging you. I took good care of him, I promise. Thank you for looking after him, Grunty. No problem. I loved looking after Bear. I really love Quacky Duck. And he loves you too. Come on. Come on, Crocodile. Come on, Melanie. Snap, Come on, Bear. Snap.
I thought bring your toy to school day was yesterday.